want to give a special thanks to Zuru Mini Brands for sending this product to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse, where we love to make, buy, and compare minis. Today, Mini Brands and Miniverse are at it again. With MGA's Miniverse Real Music record player, it comes in a box, versus Zuru Mini Brands Really Works vinyl. It comes in a clear case. Both are bringing music to our miniature world, with miniature record players and vinyls. But the question is, which one is a better size for the dolls? We made our own record player a while back, along with albums inspired by real albums using dolls. When Mini Brands vinyl was released, we found out that they were actually pretty close in size, which is awesome because that means that we can store our crafted vinyls and our Mini Brands vinyls together. The Mini Brands record player has a suggested retail price of $19.99. It's brown with a wood grain, has a clear cover. We can move the needle. There's an on and off switch on the top, and when we turn it on, the record spins. And it even works with our DIY vinyls. Well, it spins, but it doesn't play any music. One record is included with the playset, along with a stand. We get a cable for charging, and that's pretty much what we get for $19.99. There are capsules that we can use to add on to our mini collection. Mini Brands Really Works vinyl capsules priced at $9.99. I got these a while back, and I have seen them at major retailers and online. However, I have noticed that on some websites, they're not currently available. So I did a quick online search to try to find out why. And from what I've gathered, some items might have been pulled to edit the text on the back of an album. But that's just what I've heard. I'm not trying to be messy or spill any tea, but we do have a capsule right here waiting to be opened. So let's pull the tab, remove the wrapper, open the capsule, and check out a few minis. We get a collector's guide with pictures of all the album covers. There are 45 in this collection, with different availability from common to uncommon and rare. There are rare accessories and standard accessories. We have 4 paper bags with the mini vinyls inside. And this one is Kendrick Lamar. It has a plastic cover, then the album cover and a paper sleeve, and then we have the vinyl. I think these are a great size for the dolls, and I like the protective cover. And our next album is, oh wow, Messy. Now, this is the album of interest, and as an adult doll collector, I'm actually happy that I found it. But yeah, a little editing might be needed. My next one is Shania Twain, which has the availability of uncommon. And the last one is Shawn Mendes, which makes 3 for me. But I think these minis look very realistic, and I am totally putting them in the dollhouse. Now let's open our accessory, which is a speaker. Nice. There's a button on the back. The collector's guide says to push it. So let's do that. And when I do, it makes the speaker move. So for $30, we can get the record player, 5 vinyls, and 2 accessories. Now let's take a look at MGA, Miniverse Real Music Record Player. On the box, it says plays real music. I paid $21.99 for this set, so that is a little more than Mini Brands. But do we get more? Let's see. There's an instruction manual showing the items included and assembly. So let's pull this tab out the back, remove the packaging to see the record player. There's a clear cover. I think it's called a dust cover. It's pretty easy to open and stays where I put it. Well, almost. No, not there, but there. Got the little arm or the needle on the side, and we can move that over. Here is the on and off switch. And when we turn it on, it does spin. And it makes a static sound. Listen. With this playset, we get a stand. Remove the packaging. The top is inside of the box separate, so just remove this, flip it over, and place it on top. It stands a little over 2.5 inches tall. It's about 6¼ inches long and under 2½ inches wide. I like that this one comes with a stand. We can place the record player on top, and it's about the same width as the table. We get 2 plastic speakers. Let's place those on the sides. According to the instructions, we can download an app and connect it to a device. But can we use the record player without the app? Let's find out with the included vinyl. It's a Beethoven remix. The cover feels like cardstock, and the mini vinyl is inside. It's a little smaller than our DIY vinyls. Let's use this green one so you can see the difference. Here are the album covers side by side. Here it is next to Mini Brands. So yeah, Miniverse is a little smaller. And without the paper sleeve, my Miniverse album easily slides out, which could be a little bit of a concern on the shelf. Now let's see if it works without the app. Place the album on the record player, move the needle over, and turn it on. It totally works. I did switch out the music, but did my best to make it sound similar to what you actually hear. To me, the quality of the sound is similar to Mini Brands. The song plays for about 30 seconds and there is a speaker underneath. On the instructions, it does say that the record player will need software updates for each series release. So this might be necessary. The light on the record player flashes to let you know what's going on. Blue flashing is searching, blue solid is connected, red solid low battery replace. It takes 2 AAA batteries. And it flashes red and green when a software update is needed. I'm not overly excited about that part, but there it is. We can place the album covers on the shelves when not in use, and check that out. Mini Brands can kind of fit if they're at a slight angle. There's a collector's guide that says 50+ to collect, which includes 20 songs and I think a few accessories. We get songs from Amy Winehouse, Britney Spears, Blink-182, Bob Marley, Elton John, Public Enemy, and more. There are capsules that we can use to add to our collection. I paid $11.99 per capsule. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Under the wrapper, the capsule is black. Ooh, and we got a crate. Honestly, this is a fun mini. We can use it lots of different ways all over the dollhouse. And we can store the albums inside. And it fits on the shelves. We get a plastic sleeve and a chain for those who want to travel with their minis. It's a snug fit, but I'm using my minis for the dollhouse. We get instructions that say keep away from magnets. We get a collector's guide and 2 paper bags. I was trying to carefully open it, but no. Inside we find 2 records. They are wrapped in plastic. There's a name on the side, and on the back it says the artist and the song, and has a code that we are to enter into the app. I had no problem playing this record right out of the capsule, and I'm gonna leave the clear plastic on the outside and just carefully cut down the center to remove the vinyl. In the other bag, I got Amy Winehouse and TLC. So we ended up with 4 albums and a crate to use in the dollhouse. When we add in the record player, this is about $34. When comparing Mini Brands and Miniverse, Mini Brands cost a little less. Miniverse cost a little more, but we get a stand and speakers with the playset. I like the color and the style of the Miniverse record player, but I like that the Mini Brands record player is a little smaller and takes up less space. I like that they both come with accessories, but personally, I like the size of the Mini Brands albums a little better than I do with the Make It Mini. For me, it's all about how it looks with the dolls. But you can totally make Miniverse work too, because the stand is definitely a plus. But if you're feeling crafty, we do have a video for making a stand for the Mini Brands record player. And now I can add the speaker to finish the setup. And of course, you can always go with a DIY. We have several printables available for free on our blog, MyFroggyStuff.blogspot.com. And I'll put a few of our favorite DIY videos down below. My Make It Mini shelves are looking a little bare. So let's open one more capsule to add a few more songs to the collection. I got another crate the same color, so that's convenient. And our albums are... Is that Britney Spears again? Is that a double? Oh my goodness. Seriously? If this is TLC and Amy Winehouse, y'all, I am going to scream. I got the same exact capsule. How is that even possible? But mission accomplished. The shelves are full. So, for mini brands versus Miniverse, let us know which one is your favorite in the comments down below. Or would you rather DIY? And let us know what inspired album covers you would like to see as well. Thank you for joining us for another Versus. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!